Teach you how to add sound effects to your videos, just like this.
Hey guys, I saw the video where but wait, what's that?
You hear it?
But wait,
And the subscribe button pops up. It makes that pop-in sounds. At first, you want to get CapCut. And once you get CapCut, you want to click New Project. Get a video that you want to do. So say videos.
okay, this is my first ever recording.
Okay, now I want to add sound effects. So we come over here to click sounds. And you click the little star. And then you can search up anything. So say I want, I don't know, but like then you just put it on and then bam.
Okay, this is my
It just has to have CapCut and it's free. You can get it on the mobile. So yeah, bye. Also, if this helped y'all out, please like and subscribe. But also, want to see a magic trick? Subscribe button up.